What's up, everybody? It's Anthony Scott, and we're here to build your portfolio with confidence. That's right. So if right away you want to work with clients, you want to get like these $2,000 deals, $3,000, $5,000 deals, all things that have been able to have, you want to build the right to be able to ask that. And to be able to build that right, it's called a portfolio. A portfolio is obviously a collection of work or works we're going to compile with your clients. If you don't have a niche, don't worry about it. You can go broad at first. If you just want to work with popular companies that'll take you in, that's fine. You don't have to figure that out right now. What you want to do is really just want to start messaging companies or sending a short video saying, hey, I noticed you could need some help here, and we could use my method for you. The 3 for reduced fee. 3 for reduced fee, meaning that, hey, for my first 3 clients only, because I'm a new company or because I'm still in college and people love those underdogs, remind you, like, people love to give the college kid a fighting chance. And I'm telling you, that's how I got all my beginning clients. While I was first in college, I mean, obviously I've grown since, and I've met new business owners and stuff like that. But when I first started, my line was, I'm in college. I'd like to do 3 for a reduced fee as we're still practicing. What do you need? So you could go for the what do you need if you haven't performed a real quick audit. First of all, you want to look to popular companies in your area by a quick Google search that will really help you decide, are they active on social media? Do they have a website? Is the owner going live? That might be another indication of like how much they care and how much they're willing to go for their business. So 3 for a reduced fee could be like, hey, 3 for 100. Now that sounds like a ripoff, Anthony, whatever. Tell you what, the first money's great. The second money, boom, you can hit them with a service list after you send them, like, let's say it's team photos and you do branded photos, you get their logo on a transparent PNG, you slap it on there, you send it, you edit, you send them, and they're great. They love them, you use them. For all this, you have them sign a basic agreement saying, hey, like, any of this material can be used in any and all my marketing content, whether it be online or off, promotions or not. And you just go through that. And most of the time, these companies won't need a basic agreement because they're people like me and you. They just want to achieve a common goal. They want to solve these problems. So you could do this stuff with your phone or a camera. It does not matter. You don't need a lot of money to start doing this stuff. What ends up happening is you do 3 for a reduced fee, and you guys can set the price, honestly. Who's going to say no to like a $99 new client special? Or, hey, if you're not going to do 3 for a reduced fee, I'm telling you, do 3 for free. Remember, trying to actually get the money from them is going to be hard. If you want to turn them to a paid client, use the 3 for free only if they're like a super popular company and yeah, they got time maybe only once to work with you because they got somebody in-house, but they'll give the college kid a fighting chance. Like, that's the way to really go. That's what's really going to help you. So use either one of those methods. Remember, 3 for free for clients that you don't want to try to convert to a paid client and you just want to build your portfolio. How you build your portfolio. Obviously, you should have a business page. Whether it be Instagram, Facebook, you're over on TikTok or YouTube, wherever you're at on social media, you can build your company work. You can show your work on TikTok. You can show your work on Facebook, Instagram. You can show your work on YouTube. And as a matter of fact, I think I used YouTube when I first started just to showcase some of my work. So don't cut any of this stuff short. Have those conversations, reach out to those business owners. And like one tactic I used was like, I was leaving a grocery store one day because my college professor was like, oh yeah, you can't get clients for free. And I'm just like, yeah, all right. So what I did is I went and I got clients all off the color mailer. And actually one of them, which I think I only reached out to like 25 or 30 of them, but one of them actually took me up on some free work, and it was great. It helped build my portfolio in the meantime. And it was awesome because yes, you do end up running into business owners in your local area if you do get into conversation with them. And they're like, oh, hey, like there was a time I didn't have a business card because I wasn't established. And I was like, but you can check out my work on YouTube. Let me send you a link. Well, what does that create? Now I'm your friend on Facebook, or now I'm your friend on Instagram, and I send you a link. And now we're in a one-on-one conversation, So, hey, when can I do some stuff for you guys? Hey, why not? So 3 for a reduced fee for new clients you want to resell, and then 3 for free for clients you just want to build your portfolio. But remember to do the basic agreement for both sets, for the reduced fee or for the clients that pay or for the free clients, because what it's going to do is going to help you do your popularity positioning. And it's something I literally made up, but over time, by raising your prices and working with nothing but the best clients, this literally positions you as the premium social media agency in your area. And I've literally helped so many people. I came out of a technical college. I've trained people with master's degrees. I've been in consulting calls where people paid to have like a professor with a PhD in there, and there's a web guy and people with master's degrees, and I'm lighting people up in this thing. So let's get active, let's get social, let's get out there, guys. And until next time, this is Anthony Scott, and I hope this helped you build your portfolio with confidence.